So you're about to start your ERP implementation, and you have a couple months or a couple weeks before everything really kicks off. And you're wondering, what are some of the things that I should be doing ahead of time to ensure that I'm gonna have a successful implementation? Well, here's 3 things that you should be doing ahead of time to get yourself really prepared for the upcoming implementation. The first thing is gonna be going through and cleansing your data. The data model is arguably the most important thing in any ERP implementation, and having clean data is gonna be a huge driver to your success post go live. So it's important for you to go through and start cleansing that ahead of time. Start looking at, do I have correct addresses for customers? Do I have the right items? And am I duplicating any data that's out there? Any work that you're doing on data cleansing up front is only gonna help you throughout the implementation. And data typically ends up being that longer tail in the project. So getting ahead of that is extremely important and only gonna lead to more success. The second thing is that you can begin documenting your existing processes and starting to detail out what are your business process models and what make up really your operations and their processing. And the best way to do this is to start interviewing end users and start detailing out how they're performing their processes in the current state. This way you can get a good understanding of the as-is state of your business. Your team that you're going to be working with during implementation, the partner, as well as the vendor of the application, are going to be extremely curious and want to deep dive into your existing processes. Having those pretty well ironed out from the get-go and documented in a very organized way is only going to speed up things for that implementation partner. And then lastly, one of the things that you could be doing to help prep for your implementation is going to be detailing out what your true business requirements are. There's one route to go, which is just detailing out how you're doing things, but understanding why you're doing it is much more important. So understanding what are those mission critical requirements that your business has to be able to perform in a system for you to be able to run a successful operations. So going through with your users and detailing out why they're performing something and what the abilities are that they need is one of the most important steps that you can do, and you can always do that ahead of the implementation as well. So those are just 3 tips on things that you can be doing to help further along the success of your upcoming implementation. If you'd like to hear some more, then reach out in the comments below or send a message to our team. We're happy to help go through many more things that can help prep for that upcoming implementation.